Here's middle C. The song is played in the key of C minor with A flat, E flat, and B flat. The song begins with the following melody, which is played in various parts of the song. Let's cover how this is played. Our left hand is playing the chords. Our first chord is A flat major with A flat, E flat. Second chord is B flat major with B flat and F. C minor with a C and G. Again, it's A flat major, B flat major, and C minor. We'll be playing the melody on the right hand. B flat, G, C, B flat, G, C, B flat, G, B flat, C, B flat, C, E flat, B flat, C, B flat, C, G, F, E flat, C. Together it sounds like this. Our left hand is playing the chords. This is going to be pattern number 1. After this melody, we will jump right into our first verse. Let's go over our chord pattern starting with our right hand. For A flat major, we have C and E flat. For B flat major, we have B flat, D, and F. For C minor, we have C, E flat, and G. For G minor over B, we have B flat, D, and G. For the left hand, we have A flat major, B flat major, and C minor, which we have learned earlier. G minor over B, we have B flat and G. Now together, A flat major, B flat major, and C minor. G minor over B. We'll call this chord pattern number 2. And it is played 3 times in the first verse. Let's start from the very beginning. After playing this melody, we jump right into our first verse. The chord pattern is played twice as fast, and it is played 3 times in total. After playing the chord pattern 3 times, we have A flat major, B flat major, and A flat major 7. This is just A flat major with an added G on the right hand. B flat major, F minor 9. On the left, we have F octaves. On the right, we have A flat, C, E flat, and G. We'll call this pattern number 3, and it is played 2 times in the first pre-chorus. This brings us to the chorus, in which we will play pattern number 1 4 times. For the first 2 times, we will be playing just solid chords. For the last 2 times, we will be playing our melody. After the melody, we will start our verse 2, in which we will play pattern number 2 5 times, followed by A flat major and B flat major. For the second pre-chorus. This brings us to the second chorus, in which we will play pattern number 1 4 times, with the melody played for the last 2 times. After the second chorus, we will play pattern number 3 times in the pre-chorus. This brings us to the bridge, in which we will play pattern number 1 2 times. After the bridge, we will play the melody. For the last chorus, we will play pattern number 1 6 times. And for the ending, we will play pattern number 1 once, except we would be playing it twice as long. And finally ending with a C minor. If you enjoy my tutorials, consider subscribing.